Students, stay home, stay safe. With the same message, we are going to re-continue our lesson, and that is the fifth lesson, the 100 races. And yesterday we came to know about the writer of this lesson. We came to know about the Poles community in the USA who are discriminated against in the USA by the Americans, and they make fun with them, they make fun of them, and they do not let them be equal to them. So that is the discrimination problem has been highlighted in this particular lesson. The time when they thought about Venda. So this is the story about a Pole girl who is living in America near the Chicago, and a large community of the Poles lived there with their families, and they had different names, strange names that the Americans thought were quite funny. So Venda Petrinsky was absent today on Monday. Her absence was not realized by any of the student as well as the teachers in the class. So no one cared about her. The time when they thought about Venda was outside of school hours, when the only time when the students pupils, particularly Peggy and Maddie, who were the close friends, and they only thought about Venda, that was the outside school hours, at noon time when they were coming back to school, or in the morning early before school began. So only outside of the school hours they thought of Venda Petrinsky. Whenever they left the school in the afternoon, at that time, and early in the morning when they come to school. So at only these hours they thought of Venda Petrinsky. Otherwise, during the school hours, no one cared about her. When groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard, the students only thought of Venda Petrinsky whenever they were going to their homes in the afternoon, laughing and making fun with each other. Only then they remembered Venda Petrinsky, because she was a victim of them, and she was the girl whom they made fun of. Then sometimes they waited for Venda to have fun with her, and then sometimes the pupils waited for her only to make fun of her. तो वेंडा पेट्रिंस्की की कहानी है। एक पोलिश गर्ल है जिसके साथ यूएसए में अच्छा ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता है। एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी है ये पोलैंड की। कुछ एक इमिग्रेंट्स हैं, ये पोलैंड से आए हुए हैं और अमेरिका में सेटल हैं। वहाँ पर अपनी इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब के कारण वो वहाँ पर रह रहे हैं। उनके नेम्स क्वाइट स्ट्रेंज हैं, लेकिन उनके नेम के कारण ही लोग उनका मजाक उड़ाते हैं। तो यहाँ पर वेंडा पेट्रिंस्की भी विक्टिम बनती है अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी का। 2 गर्ल्स हैं इसमें कैरेक्टर्स, पैगी और मैडी। दे बिलोंग टू द अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी एंड दे रिप्रेजेंट द अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी, एंड द पोल्स is represented by Venda Petrinsky. So they only cared for Venda to make fun of her. Otherwise, during the classroom, not a single student in the class remembered her. The next day, it was Tuesday, and Venda was not in school. That day also, Venda was not in the school. She was absent. And nobody noticed her absence again, and not a single student noticed her absence in the school classroom that day also. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud, But on Wednesday, two girls, Peggy and Maddie, who always sat in the front seats with the children who always got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud, who were always clean and they did not carry some mud with them. See, Peggy was the most popular girl in school. Peggy was a most popular girl in the school campus. She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes. She was quite beautiful and had a variety of clothes at her home. And her hair was curly. Her hair was also curly. Maddie was her closest friend. Maddie was a close friend of Peggy. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Venda's absence was because Venda had made them late to school. The reason on Wednesday they noticed her absent only it was because Venda Petrinsky had made them late to school on Wednesday. They had waited for her so that they could make fun of her on the way to school. So she had made them late, and that is why they marked her absence in the school campus. They had waited for Venda to have fun with her, and she just hadn't come. Venda Petrinsky's absence was realized by Peggy and Maddie on Wednesday because they had waited for her on their way to school so that they could make fun of her on the way, and she hadn't come today. That is why they were sure that Venda Petrinsky hadn't come. On Tuesday and Monday, they hadn't taken care of that. They often waited for Venda Petrinsky to have fun with her. Both the girls, Peggy and Maddie, waited for Venda Petrinsky only to make fun with her. Venda Petrinsky, most of the children in room number 13 didn't have names like that. It was a strange name for the children of room number 13. For the whole class, it was a strange name, and that is why they made fun of Venda Petrinsky. They had names easy to say. Other children had an easy name to say, like Thomas, Smith, Alan. There was one boy named Bounce. Willie Bounce was his full name, and people thought that was funny. And some of the people in that area thought that it was a funny name, Willie Bounce, but not so funny in the same way that Petrinsky was. But Petrinsky was more funny name for the people than Bounce. So they hardly made fun of him. They only made fun of Venda Petrinsky because it was a funny name for them, and they again and again used to make fun of Venda Petrinsky. Venda didn't have any friends. Now let us know about Venda in the school classroom. Venda didn't have any friends. She had no friends in the school class. She came to school alone and went home alone. She used to go to school alone and also returned to her home alone. She always wore a faded blue dress that didn't hang right. She always put on a faded blue dress that didn't suit her. It always hanged loose on her body. It didn't suit her. It hang right. It was clean. It was a clean dress, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. But it seemed that the dress had never been ironed properly. Ironed का मतलब होता है इस्त्री करना, प्रेस करना. ऐसा लगता था कि ड्रेस कभी पहले प्रेस नहीं हुई हुई थी, बट क्लीन थी. इट वॉज नॉट शेबी, इट वॉज क्लीन, इट वॉज प्रॉपरली वॉश्ड. शी डिडंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स. बार बार ये बात नरेटर रिपीट कर रहे हैं कि उसकी कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे स्कूल में. शी फेल्ट हर सेल्फ ऑल अलोन बिकॉज दे वर द पेट्रंस्कीज एंड पेट्रंस्कीज वर नॉट मिक्सड विद द अमेरिकन्स, सो पेट्रंस्कीज हैड टू लिव अलोन. बेटा कई बार ऐसे भी हो सकता है, जैसे मान लो हम एक हिंदू कम्युनिटी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं क्लास में, और कोई एक सिख स्टूडेंट आ जाए या पंजाबी स्टूडेंट आ जाए, तो वो अपने आप को अलोन फील करता है. हम उसको कंपनी नहीं देते. हो सकता है उसका कोई फनी नेम हो और हम उसको चिढ़ाने लग जाएं, हम उसका मजाक उड़ाने लग जाएं. तो ऐसा ही वेंडा पेट्रंस्की के साथ हुआ. Other children in the school made fun of her because of her funny name. उसके funny name के कारण सब लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे. Talk to her. Put a lot of girls talk to her, but a lot of girls talk to her. Some of the girls talked to her. Sometimes they surrounded her in the schoolyard as she stood watching the little girls play hopscotch on the worn hard ground. When some little girls would be playing on the hard ground the game of hopscotch, and she would stare, she would continue to look at that game in her way. Wenda Peggy would say in a most courteous manner as though she were talking to Miss Mason. So Wenda, Peggy would say in a most courteous manner, she would call her name. Suppose she was only wanting to talk to her Miss Mason. ऐसे जैसे वो मिस मैसन से बात करती थी, इतने पोलाइट वे में पैगी उससे बात करती और बोलती वेंडा सी वुड से, गिविंग वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स ए नच. अपने एक फ्रेंड्स को थोड़ा सा झटका देते हुए, थोड़ा सा धक्का देते हुए, थोड़ा सा हाथ लगाते हुए उनसे वो कहती, देखो मैं वेंडा को अभी चिढ़ाती हूँ, देखो आई शैल मेक फन ऑफ वेंडा. टेल अस हाउ मैनी ड्रेसेस डिड यू से you had hanging up in your closet. She would always try to make fun of her by asking about how many dresses she had lined up in the closet, because Wenda Petrensky always used to tell them about her dresses in the closet. So today we shall do up to here, and tomorrow we shall continue the story on the next page. ओरल कंप्रीहेंशन चेक का फर्स्ट 4 क्वेश्चन है, ये आप करना, एक बार पढ़ के देखना इनको, और एक बार ज़रूर पढ़ना. एक काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और इनको तैयार करना है. ठीक है बेटा, गुड बाय.